Alright guys, check this out. You are looking at a 10K gold tooth. This is for the bottom teeth. Now this is 10K gold, guys. It's not gold plated. This is real gold. It's made out of gold, 10 carat. It is available for any tooth that you want, bottom or top, you choose. You can order this right on our website, blingcartel.com. Real gold single cap. You would choose which tooth you want from our tooth chart in the listing. You would make your choice there. We'll send you a mold kit. You bite down on it. That's your impression. And then once we receive it, we can start making your gold tooth. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.